kami. I am Melanie, a trainee first aider. Ma'am, can I help? Sabi niya, oo. Okay, please call for help. I have to wear my protective barrier such as the next. So she tried to eat fast. Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, are you okay? Okay, the babies are responding. Mom, please call again for help. Follow up the medical assistant. Okay, head tilt. Neutral position lang po tayo. Stand joiner. Then, there's any visible obstruction. Lift. Okay, next step for D. Breathing. 5 seconds tayo. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Breathless. Breathless tayo. So, give 2 IBM. Same procedure. Kaya lang, this time, we don't need to pinch the nose. Mouth to mouth and nose tayo. Sakot yung ilong at saka yung mouth niya. Okay, sakot po yung ilong at saka yung mouth ng infant. So, breathe. Nose listen and still. The hair bounces back. Walang background kung hindi na mag-rise. Simulation lang tayo. So, reduce na kayo magpa... Okay, refill. Another one. Hair bounces back. Another 2. Diba, 4? Kasi bumalik. Back. Last one. Feel na, feel na. Okay, next, mga kapatid. Rule na tawag natin combination. Okay? So, here is the reading. Ay, pwede ginawa ka yung pinagdagan lang. Oo. Pinagdugtong na. Pinagdugtong ngayon. Nakuha niyo pa? Mag-responsive pa yan. Ano? Mga kapatid, tingnan po tayo sa responsive. Okay, hindi na tayo mga